Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Once again, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Let's Join Pharmacy. Yes, so today I am here in front of you to discuss about the part 5. Yes, as we already discussed about 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, clear. Now, in this lecture, the lecture will be beautiful because here I will discuss one of the very important questions. The first question, that is methods to preparation of the alkanes, means how to prepare the alkanes. Is it possible to prepare the alkanes? Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, it is very easy and simple step to prepare these alkanes. Okay, and these questions probably ask for 5 marks in our examination. Clear? And don't miss this question because it's very easy question. Very easy question. You don't worry about the notes. As usual, I will add the notes in the description. You go there, download from it. Clear? No comparison here. Yes, so let's study. There are several methods of preparation for alkanes, but we discuss some of these below. Yes, catalytic hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Here the first type of preparation by means of the hydrogenation of the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Means by using the catalyst we are preparing this alkane. Here as you are saying, this alkene, it is the unsaturated. Unsaturated means if the compound contains a double bond or triple bond. Such compounds or such hydrocarbons are known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here say alkene. When alkene is treated in the presence of hydrogen, with hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium as the catalyst, then there will be formation of alkane. Then you write alkane. This is the alkane. When alkanes are treated with the hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium as the catalyst, there will be formation of product alkane. Got it? Just we are removing the double bond and we are replacing the single bond. Means from the double bond, this one bond is removed, subtracted. Just we will form the alkane product. These are the two important methods that we can prepare the alkanes. Okay, by means of the catalytic hydrogenation of the alkenes. Now, by reduction of alkyl halides. As you are looking, alkyl halides, the formula for these general formula is Rx. R is alkyl, X is nothing but the halide. Okay, and this, my dear brothers and sisters, the video quality is a little bit dim. You don't worry about the video quality because you read my voice. Go through my voice, understand what I am telling the topics. You don't worry about the notes. What I am speaking here, what I am try to understanding you. Okay, I uploaded the concept in the description. You go and download them. Don't worry about it. Just to understand the concept. Yes, sir. By reduction of alkyl halides, first in that A, reduction by dissolving metals. Means this is alkyl halide. It can be reduced to alkane by means of these dissolving. Means zinc in the presence of HCl. HCl, it is the acid. Clear? This zinc is the metal. By dissolving these alkyl halides into the zinc or HCl, there will be formation of alkane with the liberation of HX. Got it? Now, next, by reduction of lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride, it is also a metal ion. Got it? Metal ion. Now, what we are doing, just alkyl halide, we are adding to this alkyl halide lithium aluminum hydride. Then there will be formation of alkane with the liberation of halide. Alkane. Our main intention is to form the alkane. Okay, got it? Yes. Now, see here. The main very important interesting product is reduction with the hydrogen iodide. Means when alkyl halide when reduced with the hydrogen iodide in the presence of red P. Red P is nothing but it is the red phosphorus. Red phosphorus, you understand, it is the allotrope of the phosphorus. We can also tell this red phosphorus as a P4. We can also tell this red phosphorus as a P4. It is the allotrope of the phosphorus. Got it? Alkyl halide when react with hydrogen iodide in the presence of a red phosphorus at the temperature 423 Kelvin, there will be formation of alkane. Okay, why I am going very fast means because these are very basic. Just you have to remember the reagents which we are adding. Just you have to remember some of the chemical reactions. Then you can easily score 5 marks without fail. Got it? By Grignard reagent, as you all studied in your 10+2, Grignard reagent, RMGX, it is the Grignard reagent. When alkyl halide made to react with the magnesium in the presence of dry ether, then there will be formation of Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent upon hydrogenation means addition of water, hydration, then there will be formation of alkane. Grignard reagent upon hydration, addition of water, there will be formation of this alkane with magnesium hydroxide. You remember these are MgS, it is a Grignard reagent. Now Woods reaction. Woods reaction when two different alkyl halides when treat themselves, means here these are the two different alkyl halides. You can take bromoethane, or also you can take bromopropane, bromobutane, hexane, any two different alkyl halides you have to take, then react themselves in the presence of sodium metal, in the 2 moles of sodium and dry ether. Then there will be formation of product known as alkane with the liberation of sodium halide, any sodium halide you are taking here. Yes, this is the one beautiful preparation for alkanes. Okay, these are much more to write, but you select some of these from what I am teaching, what I am uploading. You select some of these from these, and then you can easily attempt your examination. Yes, now let's move across, my dear brothers and sisters. See, preparation of alkyl halides. There we discussed about the preparation of the alkane, that is CH2, means single bonded CH2 CH2 or R minus R, alkane. A single bonded product is known as alkane. Here we will discuss about the alkyl halide. It is also very important and interesting question in our examination. Here the first preparation by means of alcohol. How can we prepare this alkyl halide by alcohol? See here, when alcohol, any alcohol you take ethanol, propanol, butanol, any alcohol, when it reacted with the halogen acid, HX halogen acid, then there will be formation of RX with the liberation of water. RX means alkyl halide. When alcohol is added by halogen acid, then alkyl halide HX is formed with water molecules. Yes, now one beautiful example I have given here. See, B product, that is ethanol. Okay, ethanol, CH3CH2H, when it reacted with the HBr, means hydrogen bromide, in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4, then there will be formation of a bromoethane. Bromoethane, it is the alkyl halide. This is the ethane is the alkyl group, bromine is the halide group with the liberation of water. Got it? This is one type of preparation by means of the alcohols. Now it is the ethanol. Ethanol, upon addition of hydrogen iodide in the presence of a dilute HCl, we can get one more alkyl halide product, that is iodoethane, in the presence liberation or with the formation of this water molecule. Got it? You always try to remove the water molecules from the reaction. When ethanol made to react with hydrogen iodide, means you see where is the H and O molecules. If you observe H and O molecules, means if you can remove them in the form of water, means you can remove them. Don't worry, you remove that, expel out. Okay. Yes. Now the preparation of alkyl halide by hydrocarbons. How can you prepare by means of this hydrocarbons? Means the compound with hydrogen and carbon. Either they can be unsaturated or saturated. First we will prepare this alkyl halide by means of the alkenes. When ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 made to react with hydrogen iodide, when ethene is reacted with hydrogen iodide in the presence, okay, then when there will be formation of iodoethane is formed. It is the product we require. Yes, there are many preparation. Just I am selected some of important for you. Okay, and these are very easy. You can easily remember this and you can easily expel in your answer paper. Okay, to the respected question. Yes, and one subscriber has asked me, sir, we can write to any university. I am belonging to further Fala University. My dear brother and my dear sisters, if you belongs to any university, RGHS, JNU, any university, okay, if you are belong to any university, if you are reading nursing or any other subject, means any other course, if your course related with these organic chemistry, means bejhijak, without worry you can write this, without worry. Got it? Because the university means the degree examinations. They require your project. They require your theme, what you have written. Okay, they require your knowledge. That only they will see. Okay, it's not SSLC or any 10+2 examination. We can write the related answers to the question. In organic chemistry, it is very important. Preparation of alkanes, then alkyl halides. Yes, sir. Then by halide exchange, how can we prepare the alkyl? This iodoethane or simple alkyl halide, okay, by means of this halide exchange. Just we are exchanging bromine with iodine. In the presence of acetone, we will form the iodoethane in the presence of sodium bromide. Okay, it is the exceptional preparation, exceptional by halide exchange. Okay, you remember those two which I had explained, no? further processes. You remember those all. Then from silver salts of fatty acid, it is also very important. When silver propionate made to react with the bromine in the presence of a CCl4 carbon tetrachloride, there will be formation of a bromoethane, and the relation of the CO2, liberation of the carbon dioxide, and deposition of this silver bromide. Two bromine we have taken. No, one will be one will be come out from bromoethane. That's our required product, RX, alkyl halide. One will be deposited with the silver bromide. Okay, silver bromide. Yes, this is the some preparation, and this reaction is also known as Hunts-Dicker reaction. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, today I will put full stop on my lecture, on my video. Yes, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Inshallah, in next coming classes, we will discuss about the Markovnich's rule. Because one brother has requested me, sir, please make a video on Markovnich's rule. Yes, my dear brother, inshallah, in next session, in next video, I will come through that. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.